There we go. Right there. Alright, we're doing a little flexion distraction today, some Thompson drops.
Yeah.
We're gonna do a belly drop here on the table. Makes it a little bit more comfortable, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Pain level, Corey?
Yeah, it's good.
Good. Yeah, it's crazy. They say, don't trust a skinny chef. Don't trust the chiropractor who's not in shape, because we work all day.
I'm not gonna.
It's like doing isometric weightlifting all day. You don't move anything, but you put all your force in to make things release.
Oh, yeah.
Now that mid back last time, that one caught you by surprise, didn't it? You all right if I do that one again?
Here comes the other.
All right, here we go.
Hands out that leg.
Nope, that one's staying in.